Welcome back.
Bear poop.
Okay, bear poop. Okay. Welcome back, guys. American Fishing here. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but we're back here making videos. Luckily, in December, we're back here with Aaron. We're discussing tactics for Airsoft this summer because his dad's being Paul Bunyan and carving out all these trees and everything. Dude, we could put a tree stand, if we could put a tree stand right there, and you would sit there with the sniper rifle going.
Yeah, I gotta stand at that ridge too.
Yeah. But we're basically discussing places to hide during Airsoft next year when we get like a big group of people. So how's your guys' Christmas going? It was great for me, great to see my sister, great to see everybody had a great Christmas. Well, we're back here at American Fishing. We're working 24/7. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We're working on pumping out videos as fast as I can upload them. But, yeah, we're just taking a nice stroll through the forest. You know what, this would be a good paintball spot, too. I mean, BB Airsoft hurts more than...
No, paintball hurts a lot more. Because the paintball doesn't break, does it?
Well, there we go, Aaron. We got that trick. Dude, this would be like a... You ever play Conquest on like Battlefield 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, this would be a good... This would be a nice area to play Conquest. Because then like you can put point A, middle ridge, point B, the ridge, point C, lower ridge. What else? Point E, lumber pile. Like, you could put all of this. It would be like Battlefield 1. And then if you get hit, just go back to Aaron's house, and that'd be the respawn for both teams. Well, actually, no, that wouldn't work.
No, because that'd be all.
You'd be sitting there spawn camping. See, all this is open, guys. So basically, we can play Airsoft back here. I don't think the owners would have a problem with it. It's nice back here. It's nice and spacious. It's big enough for like teenage boys to sit back here and shoot each other with Airsoft rifles. Oh, my shoulder. But if you guys haven't seen the last few videos, or even the last video, it was basically explaining what was going on and why I wasn't uploading. Because there was like, what, a 2 weeks period where I wasn't uploading. So yeah, what's this? Dry creek bed, Aaron? Oh, there's a fence right there.
This used to be an old power plant.
Really? Now there could be another point too. Point C.
There's deer over there.
No, there's not. It was. Wait, hold on. Oh, it's just the orange rope. I thought it was hunters. I was about to say. But yeah, we're coming up with new Airsoft strategies. Aaron and Andrew are leaving without me first thing tomorrow morning, which is pissing me off. Aaron. Don't tell me you guys are going the best pro. Well, I hope you guys drop over like $200 tomorrow.
You probably will.
You come back with like 2 new setups. Okay, I think we explored this area. Go back and explore that other crossroad.
I say we just head back in general. It's getting dark.
Dude, we're fine on daylight.
Not really.
Oh, anyway, let's get to the dock.
You know how many homeless people are back here?
Well, you got a pistol, Aaron, so...
Good point.
They come close, you don't shoot them at first. You just point it at them. But, yeah, that's basically what we're doing.
Delta team, you are clear to engage.
Don't worry, guys, that's my notification. I'm not part of Delta team. Not yet. What? Well, how far does that go up? That's what I want to see. We're gonna see how far this trail goes back. Aaron's gonna... Wait, Aaron, this probably goes really far back. Wait, I wasn't sitting right there. It was farther back around that bend right there. I was resting on a log like this, and you guys just unleashed a hailfire upon me like it's freaking invading Iraq. I'll show you guys the place that Aaron and Andrew thought it was a good idea to unleash 100 bullets on me. Oh, let's unleash a hailfire upon Noah. It'd be fun, they said. Hey, Aaron. Hey, Aaron. I wonder if that tree branch is still there anyway. But yeah, I don't know the point of this video because this we just... Wait, was it there? There's another trail that goes down there. Oh, that ain't that tree branch. But basically, yeah. We're basically trying to find new airsoft hiding spots. Aaron! This trail right here, it leads to the intersection. Meet me up there. Okay? Okay? What? Meet me at the top of the ridge. Trying to figure out where I want to hide this summer anyway.
Delta team, you are clear to engage.
Aaron, I think you can get a clear shot from all these trees and stuff. So, yeah, we're basically... There's hay bales back here, there's fallen trees. I can hide right behind that lumber pile right there. Surprise, mother! How many times have we done that to each other? To the point where we just point blank shot each other. I mean, I still feel bad for shooting Andrew in the face. Well, you shot Andrew in the face. That's only because I shot him, like, right here. Didn't take his hit. So Aaron was like, you know, I'll just put another one in him. Aaron shoots him right in the middle of the forehead, like point blank. Well, then Andrew storms off. And he's like, oh, I'm never coming back. Like, what, 2 weeks later, he's like, you guys want to hang out? And we're all like, sure. But go check out the last few videos. They're fun, they're creative. We're gonna be doing more videos this winter. So keep an eye out on that. But this is American Fishing. Signing off.